Standard first. Subject Maths. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. Today we are going to learn interesting topic, find the difference. This topic is not about numbers, addition and subtraction. It is more about it. You have to wait and watch. First me tell you the meaning of difference. Difference means objects are not same. Student, do you remember the indoor and outdoor games? So children, which games children are playing here? Yes, it is football, which is an outdoor games. Children are playing football in the garden. In order to find out the difference, you all have to observe both the picture carefully, which almost look similar. But if you observe the picture carefully, you will able to tell the few differences. Let's count the birds. We can see 2 birds in the first picture, whereas in second picture there are 4 birds. Now student, we can see flower in the first picture, whereas in second picture flower are not seen. In first picture, the boy is in front of the girl and the girl is behind the boy, whereas in second picture, the girl is in front of the boy and the boy is behind the girl. Student, can you observe the colorful clothes of the children? In the first picture, the boy wears the red pant, whereas in second picture, the boy wears the yellow pant. In both the picture, we can see the children are playing football. In first picture, the ball is big, whereas in second picture, the ball is small. On first picture, the butterfly is far away from the ball, whereas in second picture, the butterfly is near to the ball. Let's see some more example. Now student, look at this example. In this example, observe both the picture carefully. I am sure all have observed the differences in both the picture. Student, first we begin with the tree. If we observe both the picture, in the first picture, the tree is tall, whereas in second picture, the tree is short. Now student, observe the animals in both the picture. In first picture, the monkey is in front of the elephant, whereas in second picture, the monkey is behind the elephant. Can you observe any more differences in both the picture? Yes, there is one more differences. In first picture, the first cloud is half hidden behind the tree, whereas in second picture, the first cloud is fully visible. Let's see some more example. Now student, look at this example. Can you find any differences in both the picture? Let's begin with the tree. In first picture, the tree is tall, whereas in second picture, the tree is short. Now, let's count the chicken in first picture. We can see 2 chicken in the first picture, whereas in second picture, we can see only 3 chickens. Student, can you see the bird flying in the sky? In first picture, the bird is flying near to the tree, whereas in second picture, the bird is flying far away from the tree. Student, do you find any more differences in both the picture? Yes, in first picture, you can see the sun, whereas in second picture, the sun is not seen, which give us light and heat. Let's see some more example. Now student, look at this example. In first picture you can see one horse, whereas in second picture you can see two horses. Now student, you can see in first picture in front of horse stable there is a dog, whereas in second picture in front of horse stable there is a cat. Now student, look at the sheep in both the picture. In first picture you can see there are three sheep, whereas in second picture you can see there are two sheep. Now student, look at the tree. In first picture you can see there are few apples on a tree, whereas in second picture you can see there are no apples on a tree. Now student, look at the children. In first picture you can see two girls are shown giving a carrot to a goat, whereas in second picture one boy and one girl are giving a carrot to the goat. Let's see some more example. Now student, look at this example. In first picture you can see the girl is flying a purple color kite, whereas in second picture you can see the girl is flying a pink color kite. In first picture you can see the boy is playing a flying disc with a dog, whereas in second picture you can see the boy is playing a flying disc with a girl. Now student, look at the pond in both the picture. In first picture you can see there is a duck in a pond, whereas in second picture you can see there is a fish in a pond. Now student, look at the bird nest. In the first picture you can see there are two baby birds, whereas in second picture you can see there are three baby birds. Student, can you find any more differences in both the picture? Yes, if we observe both the picture carefully, you can see in first picture behind the bench there is a tree, whereas in second picture behind the bench there are buildings. Now student, observe the first picture. In first picture you can see there is a flag on the top of the school building, whereas in second picture there is a no flag on the top of the school building. Now student, in first picture you can see there are no birds flying in the sky, whereas in second picture there are two birds flying in the sky. Now student, look at the children. In first picture you can see there are three boys and one girl in front of the school building, whereas in second picture you can see there are two boys and two girls in front of the school building. Now student, look at the trees on the left hand side of the both the picture. Now in first picture you can see there are three trees on the left hand side of the school building, whereas in second picture you can see there are five trees on the left hand side of the school building. Let's see some more example. Now student, look at this example. Observe on the left hand side of the branch of the tree of the both the picture. Can you find any differences? Yes. In first picture you can see there is a no squirrel, whereas in second picture you can see there is a squirrel. Now student, look at the apples hanging on the branch of the tree. If you observe on the right hand side of the branch of the tree, in first picture there is a green apple hanging on the branch of the tree, whereas in second picture you can see there is a red apple hanging on the branch of the tree. Now student, look at the apples kept on the basket in both the picture. If you observe carefully, in first picture there are more numbers of apple kept on the basket, whereas in second picture you can see there are less number of apples kept on the basket. Now student, look at the boy in both the picture. In first picture you can see a boy is giving a apple to a donkey, whereas in second picture you can see a boy is giving a strawberry to a donkey. Now student, look at the donkey in both the picture. If you observe the tail of the donkey in both the picture, in first picture you can see the tail of the donkey is downward, whereas in second picture you can see the tail of the donkey is upward. I hope you understood my topic, how to find the differences. Now it's your homework time. Observe both the pictures given below. Find and circle the differences in both the picture. Thank you.